Happy Sunday! We're here again at our bed. Kita nyo yung arugula, the first batch there. Now trying to grow after we cut some of the previous leaves and ate them. That's the second batch of arugula. If you look into our Singkamas, there's already some seeds. Maybe. We're not sure yet.
In bloom yung ating mga sili, or I don't know if they're bell peppers or chili peppers, but they're all in bloom. And then we have fruits, and actually dalawa to, may pag-grow na isa dun, tingnan mo, from the flower. And here we have, I think, sili to. Tapos marami pa siyang flowers. And then dito din may nakita ko bago. Where is it? Yeah, but yan, and this is fruit in the making. So I give it a few weeks and then magiging malaki siyang fruit. May kaming ganito, leaf miner. So they eat your leaves. Ganyan siya, simple lang siya. We thought it's a simple problem and we didn't do anything about it. But after ganito, siguro mga 2 weeks, mabubuo na niya yung white, yung buong leaves. And then magsispread siya sa ibang plants. So when you see it starting, take it away from the plant, crush the leaves away from the plants bago pa siya makahawa ng iba. Ayan.
And another kwento natin today, since nagkakalito na kami sa mga plants namin, my sister made us this. Interesting tong dahon ng cucumber. Tingnan nyo, meron siyang ganitong leaf, but meron din siyang leaf na pabilog. So in one plant, dalawa yung type of leaves niya. Interesting, ilang ako nakakita ng ganito. Today, fully occupied ng ating garden bed with our last tenant. We've been reserving the last spot really for the eggplants. Ngayon na sila naging ready lumipat dito.
And yung jalapeno natin may dalawa na fruit. And then yung ating bell pepper is meron na isa dito. Woohoo! Plus they have a lot of flowers, so hopefully some of them will turn to fruit.
Singkamas, but starting to flower. Then after nito, we're hoping na yung seeds na that we can plant.
Good news! Hindi lang ang ating mga plants ang tumutubo, even my hair is pahaba ng pahaba. Naka-headband ako ngayon kasi it's been 5 months since wala akong haircut. But as my hair is growing, our new plant babies are also growing. So, kailan ba to? Mga 2 weeks ago, we planted, 3 weeks na yata, itong parsley from seeds that we bought outside. Are trying to grow again tomatoes from our food waste. So yung mga seeds ng our tomatoes. So eto na sila ulit. Lahat ng tomatoes that we grew since March have died. Then we have bell pepper also. So from our first batch of peppers, siguro may 4 na lang nabuhay. All the rest have died. 2 of them have been attacked by ants. Ate papaya last week, 2 weeks. And then we planted the seeds and wala! Meron na ngayon palang nagsusprout. Calamansi. Ito medyo matagal siyang mag-grow. But mabilis siya mag-sprout, matagal siyang mag-grow. The sprouts showed up 2 weeks upon planting. Pero ganito pa rin siya after mga 5 weeks na since we also ate watermelon last week. So ayan, kung anong kinakain namin and if we think medyo interesting to plant, we're planting them. These were the biggest and most productive namin na bell pepper plants before. And then, one day, we saw some ants crawling around. I mean, we thought it was just normal. Apparently, may colony, I think, dito sa soil namin. You look closely. Ayan sila. That's them. That's them. Ang dami nila. And then, if you look closer, may makikita kayong white dito sa leaves. Yan. Those are aphids. Ayan. Yung mga ants yung nagdala ng aphids kasi pina-farm nila. So, wala kaming na-save. Even that batch, dalawa sila eh. Ayan. That also died. Yan yung first bell pepper fruit namin, but nung namatay yung plant, also wilted. So sad, but learning. If you see something's happening to your plant, act on it agad. Especially ants. Medyo mahirap din yung ants. So yeah, wipe it, kill the colony, or put it where natural predators ng ants nandun. So, I think beetles and ladybugs are the enemies of ants para ma-balance out lang sila. It's flatbread and salad for lunch. We're going to try out for the first time the lettuce that we grow from our pots. Hindi siya masyadong leafy, but I think good enough for our salad later. Bell pepper harvest, and medyo maliit siya kasi maliit yung plant, but we're cutting it off now. Ang predator ng ants are ladybugs, so dito may ladybugs tayo nakikita. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. And then we have plenty of flowers now on our jalapeno pepper, so we're going to harvest the first 2 jalapeno peppers.
Kahapon bumagyo, so ang gulo ng nursery namin ngayon. Nahulog yung protector. Very busy nursery now. Our tomatoes are growing, ready for transplant today. Tapos yung parsley is here. Oh, they're so cute. Watermelon. Diba? Oh. Papaya. Oh. So we just finished transferring our tomatoes, that's the tomato, and our parsley. Fresh from a harvested bell pepper and jalapeno. We got the seeds from the fruit today. We're gonna plant them. Update tayo dito kay King Singkamas. Kanya to. Meron na siyang mga pods kung nasaan yung mga seeds niya for the fruit. So few more weeks pa din tayo magtanim nito.